Fight him again. Fight him, Nate.
Fight him. You're a dog trainer? Train that dog. Train that dog, man.
Give me that.
Fight him.
Give me that. Give me that.
Get it, Nate. Fight him.
Hey, look at me.
What are you doing?
I'm looking like that. Give me that. Only put it in jail.
You're going to put him in jail?
No. You big, you know. You big doggy. So doggy. Whoa.
Good job, dog trainer Nathan.
Yeah, I'm thinking that.
You're going to train him again?
What's this?
That's his tug.
What I told you.
You tug at it. You fight. Pull it as hard as you can.
You big doggy. He don't get it to me.
No? Well, tell him ouse.
How?
You going to try again? Think maybe you'll get him this time? Think you'll win? Pull hard. Pull harder.
Big. Do it.
Say good boy, Gizmo. Go pet him on the head and tell him good boy.
I'm a dog trainer.
You're a dog trainer? Tell him he did good.
Now it's your turn.